Mom! Can you make me a sandwich?
Absolutely not, mister!
That's it. I'm gonna make a Lunchable. But wait, how do I make a Lunchable? What the frick is that? Oh, it's the exact thing that I wanted. Okay. It's time to make a Lunchable. Welcome, guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lunchable and maybe make it a bit better too. Yes. So first you're going to snap your handle. I'm going to do a speed run. Shuts off the towel. Oh yes. Put the crust on like this. Put the crust. Sauce. Don't be saucy. Yes! Now apply the sauce to the crust. Just ever so gently. Yes. 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 This is good. Yes. Yes! Eureka! Get the rest of the sauce onto the crust. Yes! Oh, my soul is trembling. Oh yeah. Well, right? Get on the cheese. Get on the cheese. Get on the cheese. Get on the cheese. Yes. Are you guys wiser yet? I know I am. These Lunchables are delectable. Yes. Cheese, 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 cheese. Pepperoni. Wait. In my own craze, I never, oh my god, I never read the freaking manual! No! Am I making it wrong? Oh, hurry, get the rest of the cheese, get the rest of the cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. What does it say? What the frick does the manual say? Oh crap, plastic on there. It says, basics, pizza with pepperoni. Okay, that seems alright. Protein, 28%, that's pretty good. What else does it say? Please recycle this card. It says, do not microwave in packages. Do not microwave in packages. Okay, good, I didn't do that. Microwave on high 30 seconds. Pizzas will be hot. I don't know, I mean, they're pretty hot right now. So, it's time to apply the pepperonis. Yes, this is quite good. This will provide me with sustenance until tomorrow. Tomorrow. Today I got me a pepperoni pizza with Lunchables. May the food God bless my food. Yes, it is complete. The Lunchable is complete. I can't believe we made it this far, folks. We created delicacy. I sure do like this, old sport. Let's try a bite. So good. Delicious. It's everything I ever wanted. Oh, okay, that was an experience. Okay, I guess I'm done with it now. Alright, final step. Put the package away in the trash can. Do 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 do.
Yeah! Ah! You say that it'll go to the trash can and you're supposed to recycle the package!
Okay, I think I'm safe here. Oh no! Oh no!
You committed sin for the last time in this house, mister! My name is Oscar Meyer, and you did not recycle the container!